Little Caliphs.
Okay, everybody. So today we want to do Nasi Lemak. Who like to eat Nasi Lemak? Me, teacher. Who know what the ingredients inside the Nasi Lemak? Okay, everybody. Who know what is this? Very good. Who know what is this? This is green rice. Who know what is this? Coconut milk. What is this? This is sugar. Okay, what is this? This is chili paste. This is salt. Okay, what taste of salt? Salty. Okay, what is this? Plain water. What is this? Oil. We need oil, but we need to use less oil. Okay, ready. And then we need, okay, what is this? This is anchovies. This is lemongrass. What is this? Yeah, very good. This is cucumber. And the last one, we need onion. Very good. Okay.